Hello, I am the Disgusting Beauty. Welcome to my channel, and today we are painting Lord Jae Darke of Underhaven. I hope to be making more art-related content, collaborating with other YouTubers such as Underhaven and others. I will be discussing plans for a future piece that I will be doing for the whole entire Underhaven channel. Enjoy this painting. Follow me on my social medias. Don't forget to click the bell, click subscribe, hit like, comment, you name it. Read the descriptions for any materials you'll need. Always read my descriptions. I tell you exactly what you're going to need to make this painting happen. Enjoy. Alright, just as the other paintings, I start by just laying down a ground. Anyway, I'm not going to talk much about that because that's not what this video is about. This video is about me reaching out to other YouTubers to try to create art, to make a name for myself on this platform. My next piece, I want to, actually I should probably start by explaining how this came to be. I was just watching, well actually no, I was listening to Animancer while I was in the tub. Probably too much information for me to mention, but I just wasn't vibing with the music I was listening to, and I saw he was streaming, and he was talking about wanting some artists to make art for their channel. And needless to say, a whole bunch of ideas came into my head. My first thought was I would like to make like photorealistic portraits of them, but I've never seen Swagta on camera. I've seen Animancer a few times on camera, but it's hard to find pictures of him. And Jay is the only one I was actually able to find a picture of. So my idea was, well, on Underhaven, they have Avatar. Swag has his drawn Avatar character, and so does Animancer and Jay. And Jay's is a demon that smokes a cigarette or a joint. I don't know. I think you can just fill in the blanks with whatever you want it to be that he's smoking. Anyway, that's beyond the point.
Get the fuck out of here, Trump.
Cheers.
And your A.
My idea is that I'm going to take their avatars from Underhaven and take my own artistic liberties like I did with this painting in my own style, because this was fun. There was no specific like process that I went through. I basically winged it. I usually on this channel, I tell my viewers to, I don't have any, but if anyone's watching out there, I tell you to lay your colors out first. This one is not one of those paintings. The only organization I really had was on the flesh tint, which was like this muted purplish reddish color, which is most of the flesh tone on the whole entire piece. That is the only organization. I organized that from light to dark, or dark to light, I mean, sorry. But the rest of this, I just winged it and took a bold style. And I'm hoping that because of this, more people will come to this channel, check out my paintings. I might start going into the realm of painting other e-celebrities. This is more of a minor e-celebrity, and we're done. This took 5 days to make. I have a sequence of the days that it took. So you see my sketch. I started with an photo from Jay's Instagram, and I just rough sketched it because I needed a likeness. I wanted to mix like his actual face with the avatar.
Have anything to say? Fuck.
What? Why are you looking at me like that? Don't talk to me like that. Now you treat me like shit. Painting Jay treats me like shit while I'm painting. My internal dialogue, he's like, you're not fucking good enough. I'm the Disgusting Beauty. This is Lord Jae Darke, Underhaven. Need me for any art pieces. I want to make some art for the rest of the channel. So follow me on my social medias, and I'm the Disgusting Beauty.
Fuck this shit, you can't even do an ending.
Anyway, I'm doing a tape reveal. I had like a cringy section that I was going to put in, and I knew it was going to be cringy. But then when I took the tape off, the paper was ripping, and that was even more cringy. But I decided it made my video run time way too long, so I cut it. Maybe I will post the bloopers from this painting because it freaked me out. As I said, I have the my processes clearly put up, day 1, day 2. This actually took more like 4 days or like 3 days. The only reason it took 5 was just adding that little smoke on the cigarette. I thought, yeah, it's missing something. It's missing smoke. Anyway, I'm the Disgusting Beauty. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, read my description, follow me on my social medias. Also, follow Jae Darke on YouTube. I think his channel's name is Lord Darke. Follow Underhaven, follow Swegta, follow Animancer, follow all of them. Thank you. I'm the Disgusting Beauty. Good night, good day, or whatever time it is you're watching this. Thank you. I'm out. I'm done. Bye-bye.